In this video, I'm going to show you how to backtest on ProRealTime. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to Charts up top left, and then you want to click on Trading Systems. This is going to open up a separate tab where you have to switch to backtesting and automatic trading, and then you want to click on New top left. Whenever you do this here, the first thing that's going to happen is you're going to see three things. You want to click on Pro Backtest, and then here you can select if you want to basically create a backtest by programming or if you want a simplified creation. Now, of course, it's completely up to you, but for this tutorial, we're going to do a simplified creation because it's just easier as a beginner. Now, whenever you do this, just name your backtest. I'm going to name it test, and then click on confirm. In here, you can then see there's a bunch of different things you can do. You can set long positions, so short positions, money/risk management. There's going to be a bunch of different things. Just go through this and create a strategy you would like to, or system you would like to backtest. So if I go to long positions here, you can then create and cancel conditions. As you can see, you can create different ones, press OK. So you can do whatever you want to do in here, okay? You could also set your initial capital, your order fees, your spreads, whatever you want to do. And whenever your backtest is ready, click on Pro Backtest My System, and ProRealTime, it's going to backtest your system or your strategy, okay? So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.